Now the next question that we will do is again from mixed bag, question number 6, applying subtraction story sums, page number 48 of your maths time book. We'll solve question number E here. The question says Raj got 45 marks in a test and Sheila got 39 marks. Who got less marks and how many less? So children, here we can clearly see that Sheila has got 39 marks and Raj has got 45 marks. So 39 is smaller than 45. So we can clearly say that Sheila has got less marks than Raj. Okay, so here we have got the answer for the first question, who got less marks. Now we will see the next question, how many less marks. Now we have to find out how many less marks Sheila got than Raj. So to understand this, let us see this bars. So here we can see Sheila has got 39 marks, which is represented by a red colored bar, which is shorter, and Raj has got 45 marks, which is represented by a blue colored bar, which is longer than the red bar. So in the question it is given that we have to find out how many marks Sheila got less. That means we have to find out this value. Okay, so to find out this value, what can we do? How can we calculate this? We can find it by subtracting this value, that is 39, from this value, that is 45. So that is, we will subtract 39 from 45 to get this value. Okay children, so that will be 45 minus 39. Fine. So this is the reason why we are subtracting here. So let us go back to the question. So the first step will be for the number which is bigger, that is 45. So the step will be marks Raj got. Okay, so he got 45 marks, so that we will write in the last two blocks, that is below tens and ones. Okay, now the next step will be for 39 marks, that will be marks Sheila got. That is equal to 39. So we'll write that in the last two blocks below tens and ones. Now the next step will be number of marks, number of less marks Sheila got. So that we can get it by subtracting 39 from 45. So we'll put a minus sign here. Now here we can see at ones place 9 is bigger than 5, so we cannot subtract a bigger number from a smaller number. So we will borrow 1 from tens place, that is 4. So if we borrow 1 from tens place, so 4 will become 3 and 5 will become 15. Okay, now we can easily subtract. 15 minus 9 is 6, 3 minus 3 is 0. So the answer will be Sheila got 6 marks less than Raj. So this is the way how we will solve this question. Now children, try to solve these questions A, C, D and F from the same exercise, mixed bag, page number 47 and 48 from your maths time book by your own. Thank you so much.